In the land of Data Valley, Chef SQL was known for his perfect data dishes. One day, a farmer brought him a basket of random ingredients, a data set, and said, "Just start cooking." But Chef SQL shook his head and smiled. Cooking doesn't work that way. He said, "I need to first decide what kind of dish I'm making and prepare my kitchen properly. Now it's time to set up the recipe." Chef SQL pulled out a piece of parchment and began writing the recipe. What will my dish look like? How many ingredients do I need? Should the ingredient be a vegetable, a fruit, or a spice? Can some ingredients be missing, or do I need them all? This step is like creating a table in SQL. Chef SQL was designing the rules to ensure the final dish would turn out just right. Now it's time to check the ingredients. The farmer was curious and asked, "Why don't you just throw everything into the pot?" And Chef SQL explained, "What if some ingredients are rotten or don't belong in the dish? For example, I can't add sand to a soap, right? What if I end up with duplicates of the same ingredients? Too much salt could ruin the taste, right? If I check the ingredients first, I can fix any issues before I start cooking." This is why Chef SQL created the table first. It acted like a checklist to make sure all ingredients were clean, correct, and ready to use. Now it's time to organize our kitchen. Before cooking, Chef SQL carefully sorted the ingredients into different bowls. One for vegetable, one for spice, and so on. Yes. And if I don't organize my kitchen, it will be a mess and I won't be able to find what I need, he said. In SQL, this step is like deciding how to store the data efficiently, choosing the right columns, data types, and constants. Now, our final dish is here. Finally, Chef SQL started cooking. Thanks to his careful preparation, the dish turned out delicious and everyone in Data Valley was super duper happy. The farmer learned an important lesson. Yes, and if you skip preparation and don't create a proper table, your data dish might be full of errors, mismatched flavors, and chaos, obviously. So the moral of the story, creating a table in SQL before importing a dataset is like planning a recipe before cooking. It ensures that everything fits properly and data is clean and final result is exactly what you want. Thank you.